we're we're preparing a lot naman for this one. Same as across the tour namin, we have our dancers. So W3 will be there. And
Yay!
yes, yes. Kasi nagcha-challenge din kami, no. Ultimately what we want is to promote the songs of SB19. So this is a good avenue for us to promote. Kaya lahat nung it's a good venue din na ma-invite natin yung ibang 18 or mga casuals around Singapore, no? So, yun.
Ayan. So yung director ba sa Philippines ay pupunta rin siya dito? Si Paolo yun, di ba? Or hindi siya
Yes,
po?
we're still planning on it.
Okay.
Currently kasama namin si Mandy Marcos. So Mandy Marcos
Okay.
is the assistant director of Direct Pao.
Mm-mm.
Most likely, pero we're still planning din.
So there's no chance na pupunta si Direk Paolo dito?
Hindi
Or
pa
may
namin
chance?
sure. So, may chance, may chance. Always, there's always a chance naman.